嗱，咁呢一節咧係 perpendicular lines 嘅第一部分啦，即係喺 coordinate system 上面咧即係如果兩條線係 perpendicular 即係互相垂直嘅話咧，咁又會點咧？咁最主要就講其實如果兩條線互相垂直嘅話咧，佢哋嘅 slope 係有關聯嘅。或者我哋先睇睇段片先啦。
What I'd like to do in this video is use some geometric arguments to prove that the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. And so just to start off, we have lines L and M, and we're going to assume that they are perpendicular. So they intersect at a right angle. We see that depicted right over here. And so I'm going to now construct some other lines here to help us make our geometric argument. So let me draw a horizontal line that intersects at this point right over here. Let's call that point A. And so let me see if I can do that. There you go. So that's a horizontal line that intersects at A. And now I'm going to drop some verticals from that. So I'm going to drop a vertical line right over here. And I'm going to drop a vertical line right over here. And so that is 90 degrees, and that is 90 degrees, and I've constructed it that way. This top line is perfectly horizontal, and then I've dropped two vertical things. So they're at 90-degree angles. And let me now set up some points. So that I already said that's point A. Let's call this point B. Let's call this point C. Let's call this point D. And let's call this point E right over here. Now, let's think about what the slope of line L is. So, slope of, let me move this over a little bit. So, slope of L is going to be what? Well, that's, you could view line L as the line that connects points CA. So, it's the slope of CA, you could say. This is the same thing as slope of line CA. L is line CA. And so to find the slope, that's change in y over change in x. So our change in y is going to be CB. So it's going to be the length of segment CB. That is our change in y. So it is CB over our change in x, which is the length of segment BA, which is the length of segment BA right over here. So that is BA. Now what is the slope of line M? So slope of M, and we could also say slope of, we could call line M line AE, like that. Well, if we're going to go between point A and point E, once again, it's just change in y over change in x. Well, what's our change in y going to be? Well, our change in y, well, we're going to go from this level down to this level as we go from A to E. We could have done it over here as well. We're going to go from A to E. That is our change in y. So we might be tempted to say, well, that's just going to be the length of segment DE. But remember, our y is decreasing. So we're going to subtract that length as we go from this y level to that y level over there. And what is our change in x? So our change in x, we're going to go, as we go from A to E, our change in x is going to be the length of segment AD. So AD. So our slope of M is going to be negative DE. It's going to be the negative of this length because we're dropping by that much. That's our change in y over segment A over segment AD. So some of you might already be quite inspired by what we've already written, because now we just have to establish that these two triangles, triangles CBA and triangle ADE, are similar, and then we're going to be able to show that these are the negative reciprocal of each other. So let's show that these two triangles are similar. So let's say that we have this angle right over here, and let's say that angle has measure x, just for kicks. And let's say that we have, let me do another color for, let's say we have this angle right over here, and let's say that the measure that has measure y. Well, we know x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180 because together they are supplementary. So I could write that x plus 90 plus y is going to be equal to 180 degrees. If you want, you could subtract 90 from both sides of that, and you could say, look, x plus y is going to be equal to 90 degrees. Is going to be equal to 90 degrees. These are algebraically equivalent statements. So is equal to 90 degrees. And how can we use this to fill out some of the other angles in these triangles? Well, let's see. X plus this angle down here has to be equal to 90 degrees. Or you could say x plus 90 plus what is going to be equal to 180. I'm looking at triangle CBA right over here. The interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So x plus 90 plus what is equal to 180? Well, x plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. We already established that. Similarly over here, y plus 90 plus what is going to be equal to 180? Well, same argument. We already know y plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. So y plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. And so notice, we have now established that triangle ABC and triangle EDA, all of their interior angles, their corresponding interior angles are the same, or that their three different angle measures all correspond to each other. They both have an angle of x, they both have a measure x, they both have an angle of measure y, and they're both right triangles. So just by angle, so we could say by angle, one of our similarity postulates, we know that triangle EDA is similar to triangle ABC. And so that tells us that the ratio of corresponding sides are going to be the same. And so, for example, we know, let's find the ratio of corresponding sides. We know that the ratio of, let's say, CB to BA, so let's write this down. We know that the ratio, so this tells us that the ratio of corresponding sides are going to be the same. So the ratio of CB over BA is going to be equal to, well, the corresponding side to CB, it's the side opposite the x degree angle right over here. So the corresponding side to CB is side AD. So that's going to be equal to AD over, what's the corresponding side to BA? Well, BA is opposite the y degree angle. So over here, the corresponding side is DE. AD over DE. Let me do that same color. Over DE. And so this right over here, we saw from the beginning, this is the slope of L. So slope of L. And how does this relate to the slope of M? Notice, the slope of M is the negative reciprocal of this. You take the reciprocal, you're going to get DE over AD, and then you have to take this negative right over here. So we could write this as the negative reciprocal of slope of M. Negative reciprocal of M's slope. And there you have it. We've just shown that if we start with if we assume these lines L and M are perpendicular, and we set up these similar triangles, and we were able to show that the slope of L is the negative reciprocal of the slope of M.
咁呢段片就睇到即係你兩條垂直嘅線啦，佢哋 slope 嘅關係啦。咁我哋睇下實驗啦。咁有個 point A 啦，呢個係1嚟嘅。咁如果將呢個 point 旋轉90度咧，就去咗 A dash 啦。A dash 呢個 point 咧都俾咗你啦，咁都睇到嘅-1、2啊，呢個係啊。而家就試下揾啦。如果我揾呢兩個 slope 嘅話咧 ，slope of 因為旋轉90度啦，所以咧你 A 同 OA 同埋 OA dash 咧呢兩條線之間就因為旋轉90度翻出嚟噶嘛，所以呢隻角一定係 right angle 嚟嘅。 ，OK， 即係兩條線垂直 OA 同 OA dash 係垂直啦。所以 slope OA 嚟講咧，咁我呢啲就係1減0啦，2減0啦，所以1/2呢個係啊。咁如果 slope of OA dash 咧，咁即係用呢個即係2減0負1減0啦，咁呢個就負2嚟嘅。咁如果我將呢兩個 slope 咧乘埋嘅話咧，咁就2/1乘負2啦。咁答案你發覺咧，如果你兩條線係互相垂直嘅話咧，你將呢兩個 slope 乘埋嘅話咧，你發現出嚟結果係負1嚟嘅。於是就得到結論咩咧？就係呢個啦。如果兩條線 L1、L2 啦，互相係垂直嘅話咧，咁佢兩個 slope 乘埋咧就係一定係負1嚟嘅。咁留意翻啦，如果呢 pair 線咧有是但一條線係橫線或者係 vertical line 直線啦，咁呢條個關都唔適用噶啦，因為你知個 slope of vertical line 咧係 undefined 噶啦。OK， 咁所以如果你其中一條線係橫係直嘅話咧，咁呢個關係都唔通用嘅。咁我哋睇下點用啦。依個例子咁啦，如果 A、B 同 C、D 係互相垂直嘅，我哋想揾 D 嘅，即係 D 嘅 value，D 嘅 value， 即係呢個 D 嘅 y coordinate y 坐標啦，其實啦 ，OK， 咁所以咧，即係咁因為我哋知道兩條線係互相垂直嘅咧，所以咧 A、B 嘅 slope 同呢個 C-D 嘅 slope 咧一定係負1嚟嘅。總之垂直嘅話咧，兩個 slope 乘埋就兩條線嘅 slope 互乘埋就一定係負1。好啦 ，A-B 嘅 slope 咧就係即係話咁呢個減呢個啦，3ay 啦，咁呢個減呢個啦，3減負1，即係呢個 y 嘅 difference 啦。跟住呢個減呢個咧，負1減2啦，咁即係好乘咗先。好啦 ，M 如果 C-D 嘅話咧，咁即係呢個乘呢個佢呢個減呢個啦 ，D 減1啦，咁4減0啦，咁呢個就負1嚟嘅。咁呢個 D 減1/4就負1啦，咁呢個咧負3啦，就4嚟嘅。OK， 咁你發覺呢個約得啦，係咪約得啦？咁跟住呢個調水嗰隻3，即係 D 減1啦。OK， 咁所以你 solve 咗 equation 之後咧，你發覺嗰個 answer 係4嚟嘅。好啦，咁睇下呢個例子啦。咁呢個嚟講咧，我哋想 B 嘅 coordinate。咁因為兩條線互相垂直嘅話咧，咁所以咧第一件事我哋知啦 ，L1 嘅 slope 同呢個 L2 嘅 slope 咧一定係負1嚟嘅。咁 point B 嚟講咧，表面上就冇兩個 coordinate 都兩個坐標，即係 x、y coordinate 都冇俾你啦。但因為呢個 point 咧喺 x， 因為呢個 point 咧喺 x axis 上面咧，咁所以呢個嚟講咧，我哋其實有個坐標係知嘅。嗰個係 y 坐標嚇，因為我哋知 y 坐標係0嚟嘅，咁 x 坐標就喺呢個位，所以就未知啦 x 坐標啊，咁所以呢個就俾住 B 先啦 ，OK， 即係話呢個 B 嘅坐標咧係 B0，y 坐標係0嚟嘅，因為佢喺 x axis 上面。好啦，於是計到啦 L1 嘅 slope 就係呢兩個 point 嘅 slope 啦 ，OK， 於是呢個減呢個啦，10減0啦，跟住-4減 B 啦 ，OK。咁呢個 A1 嘅 slope 啦，咁 L2 嘅 slope 啦，就係呢兩個 point 啦。咁呢個減呢個4減-6啦，跟住呢個減呢個就2減-8啦。OK， 就係等於呢個嘅就即係等於呢個負1啦。OK， 咁呢個10/10啦。好嘅，即係大家都係10啦呢個，咁呢個咁你減咗之後就係呢個10減0係10啦，跟住-4減 B 啦，OK， 咁於是啦，咁因為呢個係約晒1嚟㗎嘛，OK， 咁所以其實真係都係簡化之後其實就係咁啫。跟住啦，如果乘咗上去之後即係4加 B 係10啦，咁所以 B 咧係6嚟嘅，咁所以咧 B 等於60啦。好啦，做一做數先啦。咁呢條數嘅 answer 係乜嘢咧？好啦，睇點做啦。咁揾 S 嘅值啦 ，S 嘅 coordinate，OK， 咁呢個一樣啦，因為佢個坐標咧喺個 x axis 上面咧，個 xs point 啊，咁所以咧我哋知 y 坐標係0嚟嘅 y 坐標係0啦，咁 x 坐標 x coordinate 未知啦，咁我 S0 啦叫做啊。咁因為兩條線互相垂直嘅話咧，咁即係兩個 slope 乘埋負1啦，咁所以咧 RS 嘅 slope 咧即係7減0啦，呢減 S 啦，7減0係1減 S OK， 好啦，再乘以呢個啦，即係話呢個減呢個啦，就4減負2啦，跟住呢個減呢個啦，就-5減4啦，咁乘埋就負1，咁呢個-9啦，呢個係4，即係4加2呢個6啦，呢個71減 S 啦，就負1。咁即係話咧，如果即係話 solve equation 咧，如果將呢個調過去咧，即係話變咗7 1減 S 咧，就係9/6啦，係咪？於是咧，你交叉相乘咁7 6 42啦，呢個1嚟噶嘛，所以1乘9係9減9S 啦。咁所以咧，你將佢調咗過去嘅話咧，即係9S， 咁9減42即係33啦，OK， 33啦 ，OK。咁於是 S 咧就係所以就-33啦 ，OK。咁所以咧呢個係-33/9啦，咁約簡之後就-11/3，OK。咁即係話咁你 x 坐標就即係咧答案係 boy 咯。咁睇下呢個例子啦，喺呢條圖入邊咧，咁 L1 同 L2 就互相垂直啦，咁就叫你揾 A 嘅坐標啊。咁 A 咧 ，because OK on the y-axis 喺 y 軸上面啊，咁所以有個坐標咧就係0嚟嘅，就係 x coordinate 啊 ，x 坐標係0嚟嘅，咁 y 坐標唔知啦，咁我叫下 A 咧叫做啊。咁因為佢兩條線係垂直啦，咁即係話咧，咁係即係話 AB 嘅 slope 啦。呢個就係 AB 嘅 slope 啦 ，MW slope 啦，所以呢個就係 AB 嘅 slope 啦。咁同埋 CD 嘅 slope 啦，將佢亦即係嗰兩條線嘅 slope 相乘咧，一定係負1嚟嘅。好啦，咁啊 AB 嘅 slope 咧，咁即係呢個減呢個就A 減負1啦，咁0減3啦 ，OK。咁另一邊啦，咁啊呢個減呢個啦，咁啊2減負1啦 ，OK， 上減下 ，OK。即係 D 減 C 啦，咁所以 X 都一樣啦 ，D 減 C， 所以4減負1，咁兩個 slope 乘埋負1啦，咁呢個就3啊2加1係3啦，2減負1即係2加1啦，2加1啦，所以3就下面就5啦，咁呢個咧就-3啦，咁呢個係 A 加1嚟嘅，就負1，咁所以咧，咁即係話咧。-15啦，3嘅 A 加1啦，就係負1啦 ，OK。咁如果將個15調過去嘅話咧，咁即係3嘅 A 加咧就15嚟嘅，咁所以 A 加咧就係5啦，所以 A 係4嚟嘅，所以 A 等於0 4。